somebody. Let's see if there's somebody in there. Is it vacant? Oh, you're nasty. Oh, I bet. That's fucking gross. Oh my god. We're stopping at this little abandoned house back in the cut. I have no idea what's even like. I have no clue.
So high. The grass is so high.
Oh, I know. This place has been abandoned for God knows how long. This is like an old little, like this little shack. You can tell nobody's been here for a really long time. There's like holes on it and stuff. Ugh. Watch out for the stickies. They're everywhere.
You can just look through the...
There's a whole wall missing.
I think this is like a shed or something. I don't think this is a house.
I don't know. It's pretty big. Maybe a shed for a house?
Maybe.
Anything in there?
I mean, crap.
Crap.
Can you see it?
Old crap. Yeah, this looks like it was a garage or something, or... Look at this place. Old shit. Is it a house, or was it a garage, or was it a... I don't know. Like, this is built up. Like, there was probably... It's probably gone now, but there was probably a big house here or something at some point. Yeah. Computer parts, stereo parts, tires. Looks like it's all construction. Fucking table. What is this place? There's a driveway here. Oh, it's garbage. Jesus Christ. Furniture. 70s furniture. How do I get a photo of that? A ceramic chicken. There's a speaker. That's a humongous collapse bar part, like right fucking there. Is there any easy way to get to it though? Pretty much. Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
This is all metal. More back here. This is like probably a packing house, or here, watch out for the nails. Holes. Look at all this stuff in here. Huh? It's kind of creepy. Are you filming? This is all metal, so be careful. Yeah, see? This is like old chicken fencing, looks like. Oh, this one here's still intact. Yeah, an old barn. Look at this. There's more back here. How do we get in? That's what I'm curious about. Is there a walkthrough in this or not? Yeah, I'm gonna get
this way. We're on that way.
You like ladies first? I'll go this way. Yeah, yeah. So it looks like. This has a cellar. Holy shit. Careful. It's a long way down.
There's nothing down there.
No.
Yeah, it's just a hole.
Yeah.
There's a hurricane got it or something.
Nah, this is not hurricane damage. This is just old. Apparently, yeah, there's big divots in the ground, so you will fall and bust your shit if you're not careful, obviously. Oh, fuck. Yeah, see? So many fucking hazards, man. Shit like this.
Yeah. Dude, careful.
Yeah.
I watched some of urban exploring videos.
Oh, yeah, me too. Whoa, look at this fucking place. Yeah, this is like an old packing house, or I don't know what this was. Careful. Yeah. There's some old log books here. Let's see what they say. Brown. Pallets. Whoa, fuck. Let's see what these say in here. Tractors. Like there's like a natural roof forming up here.
I got bit by something.
Did you? Oh, there's more rooms?
Yeah.
It's like a labyrinth. What's left of a bathroom? It's dark in here. I can't see shit.
Yeah, there's really not much back there, but go on ahead.
Oh, I would definitely like some photos in this motherfucker, though. Okay. So, alright. I think that's... Do you see what was over here yet? Yeah, I think this was a packing house. I really think this was like a packing... There's like parts... There's like tractor parts and stuff all over the place, though, too. I'm seeing like citrus stuff, but... I'm seeing stuff that isn't super, super old, though. Like, this is plastic. That's not... I mean...